Hi friend, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going over the 10 best affordable summer dresses that you need to grab right now at Walmart. These are cotton, linen pieces that are beautiful for the summer weather coming up. You also want to check these out because they're under $40. And they're also pieces that I've tried and loved from my past try-on hauls. So of course, I'll definitely link my previous Walmart content for you down below in the description box so you can watch those try-on hauls next. I will also have all of my Walmart content on my Mavely shop. That's where I update it every day with sale alerts, new summer drops. You need to check out my Mavely shop if you haven't already. You can find so much content over there, so I'll link it down below. Let's start with this beautiful coral mini dress. This is an Eyelet number from Celebrity Pink at Walmart. It's just about $27. I like it in the coral shade. It's definitely fitting in with my light spring color palette that I am tapping into for the summer season. This is a pretty mini dress in a size medium on me. Definitely fits true to size. This is actually what I wore to go get my hair done. I just got my hair dyed this week. So this is the dress that I put on for the occasion. Just made me feel a little bit more put together. I love how it has smocking underneath the bust, so it's very flattering and comfortable, especially for me. I'm a mid-sized gal, so I'm always looking for comfortable, cute dresses. So the fact that this one's under 30 bucks is great. I definitely suggest grabbing this if you're going on a beach vacation. There's going to be tons of beach vacation looks that I'm sharing with you in this video. Next dress is another number from Celebrity Pink that's 100% cotton. It's this Eyelet midi dress. This one comes in a cream shade and also a beautiful butter yellow that's perfectly on trend for spring, summer. I actually might pick up the yellow one if I see it in store. I've got this dress also in a medium, so these dresses are running true to size. It has adjustable spaghetti straps. It has really sweet little ruffle details up at the top, drops down to a midi length with eyelet details, laser cutouts all throughout. This dress is also double lined, so it's got 2 layers of fabric to it. The fact that this dress is 100% cotton for under $30 is also making it such a winner. Check this one out if you want to grab a little lightweight dress for the weekend. This dress is also a favorite from Free Assembly. It has a square neckline, 100% cotton once again. I love the fit on this one. It has a fit and flare style that's super flattering, especially if you're also a mid-sized gal like I am. This one fits really nicely in the medium. And I liked the print. It's got red and pink florals all throughout, nice thicker straps up at the top, and then it drops down into the most beautiful silhouette. So this one is definitely a 10 out of 10 dress from me, under $40 as well. I'm so excited to pack this dress with me on upcoming vacations we have for the summer. It's just going to be something that I am feeling really confident in, and it's also great to layer with my beaded necklaces that I've been loving from Bauble Bar. Check out this pink and white dress. The floral print gives me Love Shack Fancy vibes. This is also a find from Celebrity Pink. They just launched a ton of summer dresses, so I had to grab this one. It has a sweetheart neckline at the top, thicker straps, and it's also under 30 bucks. This dress is also 100% cotton. So for some reason, Celebrity Pink just came out with tons of 100% cotton dresses, and I'm sharing all the best ones with you. For this dress, I'm also doing a medium, fits beautifully, and this is also a double layered dress. So it's got a lining underneath. Print is really what I loved about this dress because you get that Love Shack Fancy designer look for less at Walmart. This dress is definitely more of a true yellow. It's not like that soft butter yellow that we've been seeing. But this is a really fun one. I grabbed this to style in my last Walmart haul. I got this dress in a size medium. I should have sized down. So if you are in between sizes, I would recommend sizing down. Just because it was super stretchy at the top, I needed to go down a size. So for me, I definitely would swap this out for the small. I do still love the shape of this mini dress. The scallop details at the bottom, that hemline is gorgeous. It's got like a tiered layer effect going on. And this is also an affordable new cotton number that you can grab from Walmart. I was going to lunch with my mom and I had to throw on this Smocked Maxi dress from Free Assembly. $36, worth every penny. This one fit me so nicely, and it's already 90 degrees here in Florida, so I'm reaching for my cotton pieces. I'm like, I need something that's cute and going to hold up while I'm walking out to go get lunch. So this is a great one. It's got a sweetheart neckline, smocking at the top. You could also easily put a little cardigan over this dress, wear it to church if you wanted to. And the fit on this was great in a size medium on me. Loved the print. It's got yellows and pinks. So it's definitely a very feminine dress that checks all the boxes in my book, especially being under $40 and cotton. This dress is so fun if you're going on like a Caribbean cruise or somewhere like Hawaii or even to Europe for the summer and you want a really punchy, vibrant dress, check out this one that just launched at Walmart. It is selling out so fast. I'm like, everyone is scooping up this dress. It's got puff sleeves, a mini style. I liked this one with the purples and the abstract colors going on. This will be coming in and out of stock. I can only imagine, you know, as we head into summer, Walmart's going to want to bring this back out for people to enjoy. This dress also fit me true to size in a medium, and it reminded me of something from Abercrombie. That would be $100, and this one's under 40. Actually, I think this is under 30. Yeah, this is 28 bucks, which is crazy. Can't believe that. Such a great price point. So that's also why people are probably buying it, because it's $28. I loved the vibrant tones. Oh, so pretty. I'll definitely include video, photos of me wearing this dress. Little bit of smocking up at the top reminded me of the Abercrombie Emerson dress. This is a super fun green printed dress that I wore out to the Vinoy. We were having some coffee and hanging out, so I wore this dress there. The dress comes in 2 or 3 different options. I think there's like a navy print, but for me, I had to go for the green. That's one of my favorite colors to wear. It would also be the perfect dress to wear for a dinner date night. If you're going by the beach, you want to feel put together, but wear something comfy. I loved how lightweight this dress fit. Once again, it's been super hot here in Florida, so this is another dress that I'm personally reaching for again and again if I have dinner plans and I want to look put together. This is a very elegant dress that looks like something from Anthropologie with the print. This dress is actually on sale. It's from Scoop. I loved the purple pink color of it. It was very girly and feminine. This dress actually surprised me. It fit me a lot better than I thought it was going to. It's definitely more of a lightweight fabric. For this dress, I did a medium, and I definitely would go true to size. So grab this dress, check it out while it's marked down. The last dress I want to call out is the Avia activewear dress. This is amazing. You don't need to shop at Lululemon anymore. I don't. I personally am just shopping at Walmart, at Target for activewear these days. This one is a beautiful aloe look for less active dress. If you're going to Disney, you're going to be somewhere hot, you know, at the park with your kids, check out this dress. It's amazing for under $30. I would either go true to size or go up a size depending on if you want a little bit more room in the front. In this one that I'm sharing, I did a large, I sized up. It also comes with biker shorts underneath that are easy to remove, gives you easy bathroom access. You don't have to worry about, you know, taking the whole thing off when you're sweating in the summer, which is amazing. I'm so glad that Walmart came out with these dresses. This aloe inspired active dress is so good. Definitely check it out if you're wanting something that's comfortable to live in for the summer. Of course, if there's any other Avia active dresses, I will share them. I will pick them up and try them out for you. When I would give a top recommendation, check out all of these affordable Walmart dresses shared down below in the description box. I'll also have them in a pinned top comment as well as on my Mavely shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. The rest of my Walmart content will also be linked down below, so check out my previous summer fashion hauls. If you liked this video and want to see more Walmart content, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Go down below and hit that red subscribe button. And if you made it to the end of this video, leave the dress emoji down below in the comments so I know that you stuck around till the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.